Morning, Jane.
Afternoon.
We are so tired, aren't we?
We are.
Because my daughter has been given a garden shed by a mutual friend, and we've dismantled it and transported up to where she lives and then reassembled it. And it was really hard work, wasn't it?
It certainly was.
And we're both very tired now.
Yeah.
But I said, I don't care how tired we are, Jane, we've got to do a video. Because I know that there are people out there waiting to hear what I think about the subwoofer, which is now up there. And I know that there's going to be a lot of people saying it shouldn't go up there. And I'm just going to say that it's not definitely permanently staying there, but I did try it. If you look here, I did try it there, and it didn't. It just wasn't feng shui.
No, not at all. I can agree with you there.
And I did try it there, and again, it wasn't really quite feng shui. And I thought, well, I'll just see what it's like up there. So I like it, and I know there's going to be people saying that it's going to walk because of the vibrations it's creating, but I don't think it will. And also, people will say, well, you can't have it up there because the vibration is going to go onto the record player. Well, the jury's out because I haven't really had time to
You don't
listen.
know yet.
I don't know yet. I have listened to it for a little bit, and I don't think, with all this dead weight here of all the records, this must weigh a ton, and I don't think it's going to resonate.
And also the unit is quite heavy as well, isn't it?
It is. Yes, it is, and it's on rubber feet as well. But I thought, if I do need to address the situation, because I do think that is the best place for both of us, isn't it?
Yep. You don't normally keep a washing machine up on top of your
Jane,
bookcase.
Jane, it is not a washing machine. Don't you dare. But I think that's going to be the best place for it. And this morning you were not very interested because I started to show you on my computer, and I was looking on eBay for isolation feet. There's a brand called Acoustics, which I've seen at Bristol HiFi show, and there are other makes as well, but Acoustics is one that I sort of, quite aspire to that. I quite like that. And you saw the price. You said, how much? But if it's necessary to have them, and they are about, if I can get them second hand and I need them, I don't think I need them for the speakers. I'm very happy with these. Although there was a YouTube video that I was watching this morning by Steve Guttenberg, where he was talking about a friend of his did a video with 3 different types of isolation for the speakers. One was spikes, which is what I've got, and one was the Acoustics type of thing. Yeah, and the other one was a sort of like a flat type of, I don't know what it was called really, but somebody did a blind hearing testing of it, and concluded that the spikes were the least good. So, in the past, somebody has asked me about the speakers and the isolation. So I'm just going to show how this is made by my friend Julian. So, on here, we've got the isolation spikes screwed in nicely. This is solid oak, and we've got these silicon, I don't know what you call them, spacers. These are things to, when you've got like a door closing, like a soft close, so it doesn't slam. And I just had some in my toolbox, and I thought, well, I'll just try those out. And I think that it sounds okay. But it might be something that I've got to think about in the future. And then, so that rests on that. We've got these like, those things.
Spike
and
holders.
The spikes are there. And by the way, this is not a wooden floor.
No.
It's a concrete floor.
with floor stuck on
with
it.
laminate on it. So I mean, I've not had any problems with it so far, but I'm always sort of looking at possible ways to improve things. If I needed to get some of these isoacoustics, sound diffusers, I suppose you could call them, or sound deadening device, they're expensive, and I will not be getting 4 and 4 and then another 4 there. If I do need any, I'll get a 4th up there, but I don't think I'm going to need them. So going back to the subwoofer, in case anybody's interested, we haven't actually had a lot of time for me to give a proper listening, but I was eager to take them out of the box last time and just plug them in without any sort of trying around of different settings, and all I did was try them there, up there, and I turned them right down, not to the very minimum setting, not to like the off setting, but like only a very small setting, and it was just really, I really liked it. It was like it was almost like 3-dimensional. I was sitting in my chair over there, and I didn't hear sort of like a boom, boom, boom. It was like a really subtle extra something, which was really nice. And I'm looking forward to, now I'm not saying I'm looking forward to you going away next week, but I sort of am, because then I'm you're going away what day?
Wednesday.
For how long?
3 days.
Yes, I mean, that's a shame, but while you're away, I'm going to be having at least a whole day Thursday and possibly Friday
Actually,
as well.
nearly 4 days.
Oh, okay. Well, that's okay. Well, what a shame. I'm going to miss you very
no, you
much.
Won't. Look at your face. Can't wait.
All day Thursday and perhaps all day Friday, but certainly all day Thursday after you've gone. I'm going to have a whole day to myself.
Better warn the neighbours.
But no, it's not to play the music loud. It's just to try out the subwoofer. There's loads of settings on it, and I just haven't had the time to go through it all yet. So I'm really looking forward to that. But all I can say, I might have just had beginner's luck, because I plugged them in, turned the setting down, and it was just superb. Really, really superb. And I'm thinking, with a bit more tweaking, it could even be superber.
Superber.
Yeah, I'm a writer. I can make up words. Anyway, somebody in the comments asked about the unit we've got here. Okay, and somebody else asked about this, which is what you've painted.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that is one of your pieces of original artwork that you just painted directly onto
my mural.
Your mural. Yeah. Now this unit, viewers, it's
Stand back. You can see all.
okay. It's actually obsolete now. It's Ikea, and it's pre-Kallax. A lot of people use Kallax, and this is called Traby. Okay, it's discontinued, but I've just randomly gone onto eBay and typed in Ikea Traby, and there's quite a few bits and pieces that are being sold.
It's really nice wood.
It is really nice wood, and this is the example of the. Oh, just put that there. You get these shelves. So it's very, very flexible. So you can buy a single. Let's see, where's a single? This is a 4-way cube. That's a 4-way cube. This is a 2-way cube, and another 2-way cube there, I think.
Yeah. You added your own shelves into it.
Yeah, and then so this one here, which was a 4-way cube, I took the inserts out, which are attached. You put these metal rods inside there, and then the shelf sort of like slides onto it. So that's how it works. And you can also get a vertical 2-way one and a horizontal 2-way one, because they are slightly different dimensions.
Yeah.
And when we moved here, we bought a load of different ones, and we just tried it round and did what was best for us, and it was great, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So
there's a rogue shelf there, though.
A rogue shelf.
Yeah, a white one.
Oh well, that's just for me to put the CD player on. I put that on myself.
Right.
You approve of the white, don't you?
It's okay.
Well, okay. Well, maybe I'll go and get some proper wood.
I think you should.
There's always something, isn't there? I think that's it. Now, if I say how much time have we done, and you say 7 minutes, that will be
10.5 minutes.
7.5.
No, 10.5.
Oh, 10.5. Okay, right. To finish off, somebody in the comments said about you painting
The washing machine.
my lovely subwoofer. Okay, and I thought he was joking, but it just happened to be that you did also mention about painting it, and I thought at first you were joking as well. But I've actually thought about it. I don't mind, and in fact, I invite you to do something on it, like collage type of painting. I don't know. We need to talk about it because obviously I don't want you to do something and then
You don't like it.
But I reckon you could. I mean, it doesn't have to. If I was going to be buying it and selling it, then obviously that's a different matter. But I'm not. This is now a permanent resident, and I think it'd be really nice if you did something. I don't know, something colourful, something good. So, on that note, by the way, everybody, thanks for joining in with the fun of the April the 1st video that we did the other day. It was a laugh, and it was just good fun, wasn't it? So I've now got to wait a whole year until the next time I do something like that. I don't know what I'll do next time, but anyway, that was really good. So we're going to go down to the pub now, aren't we?
Yeah. And happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Easter, everybody. And we're going to go to the pub. I'm going to have... Shall I have a beer or wine? I'm not sure. What are you going to have, Jane?
I don't know yet.
Okay. Well, you can just wait until you get there and then decide.
Yeah.
Blimey. Okay. Right.
Oh, I know what I'm going to have.
What?
What's that beer called that we like?
Oh, Camden.
Yeah,
Camden
I like
Stout.
that. Yeah, that's
It's
nice.
like Guinness, but even better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So thanks, everybody, for watching, and see you next time.